Go 1.22 was just released, and this version comes packed with performance gains, developer experience updates, and improvements in the already powerful standard library. In the next few minutes, we'll review 3 of the main updates introduced in Go 1.22, and by the end of the video, you'll see that there is no better time than now to learn Go and start enjoying its benefits if you are not doing it already. After all, Go shows up in the top 10 programming languages used on GitHub and is seeing a lot of growth across newly created projects. Let's start with one of the most important updates. For loops that share variables across iterations are finally fixed. To showcase this, let's create a slice of strings, iterate over it, and start a Go routine which simply prints out the value to the screen. Then, using a buffered channel, we'll use a second loop to wait for all the async code to finish before closing the program. This implementation has a small gotcha that caused issues prior to this release. The anonymous functions are executed concurrently and are capturing the v value in a closure. Since the execution is likely to happen after all the iterations, the output of this code would probably be this one. This behavior is common in other languages as well, but Go is finally addressing it. Of course, the order of the letters is still not guaranteed, since the functions are executed in parallel. Next, let's look at a small quality of life improvement, the support for ranging over integers. Go focuses on simplicity, and it only has one construct to handle looping, the for statement. You can use it as a traditional for loop, as a while, or as an infinite loop. You can iterate over collections, and starting with this version, over ranges of integers as well. Finally, one big improvement, especially for web developers, is the support for methods and wildcards when working with the HTTP server. The standard library is a big thing in Go, and you should always use it over other third-party libraries whenever possible. However, mapping requests to methods was a bit too tedious prior to 1.22, and people were relying on some other established solutions when building web servers. The multiplexer patterns are way more powerful and flexible now, so keeping your web app codebase dependency free seems a bit more achievable. This is far from being a full overview of the language, but the features we looked at should give you an idea about the power and simplicity behind Go. If you like this video, please consider clicking the join button or watch one of these videos next. Until next time, thank you for watching.